Let's review laws of exponents. If I have x to the a times x to the b, that's x to the a plus b. If I have x to the a raised to the b, that's x to the a times b. X to the negative 1 is 1 over x. And what I do, I think about if I have a negative exponent, I move it to the opposite place it's in, and that changes the sign of the exponent. Meaning this x to the negative 1 is in the numerator. I moved it to the denominator, and it changed the sign of the exponent to be positive. So let's go back to your problem. There are lots of ways to attack this problem. I think what I want to do is copy down that first factor, and I'm going to move this factor to the denominator, and that's going to make the exponent positive. So that would be 2ab to the 6. And I'm showing lots of extra steps here. This would be 2a negative 3b c to the negative 7 over. This is 2 to the 6, 2 to the 6. 2 and 2 is 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. A to the 6, B to the 6. I'm using this rule here because there's a 1 there, a 1 there, and a 1 there. Now let's get rid of our negative exponents. Well, and plus also cancel. 32 will go into 64 twice. So I've got a 2 in the denominator. And this a to the negative 3, I'm going to move it to the denominator. The other thing you could do, a to the negative 3 over a to the 6. If you're dividing like bases, you subtract your exponents. That would be a to the negative 3 minus 6. That would give you an a to the negative 9 in the top. So if you want to go that route, you could. All right, move the a cubed down. Leave the b where it is. Move the c to the 7th down. And you already have an a to the 6 and a b to the 6 in the denominator. So you've got b the first in the numerator and b the 6 in the denominator. Where's the majority of your b's? They're in the bottom. If you canceled them, you'd be left with 1. I'm sorry, 5 of them. So that's 2. Other way to think about that is 1 minus 6 is negative 5. B to the negative 5 in the numerator. Move it to the denominator, be positive. So let's do these a's first. I've been yapping about the b's, but let's do the a's. That would be a to the 6, 7, 8, 9. And then b to the 5th. And then c to the 7th. And you're left with a 1 in the numerator. So 1 over 2a the 9th, b the 5th, c the 7th. So that's your final answer, but because I like to go way overboard, I'm going to talk about the b's again. We had a b over b to the 6, and that's b to the 1 minus 6, which is b to the negative 5, which is 1 over b to the 5th. However you want to think about it. I hope this helps.